Are you someone who constantly suffers from low back pain but don't know what to do? Well, try these exercises. Number 1. Cobra pose to child's pose. In this one, lie down on your stomach, place the hands beside your chest and push the crown to come up. You can also slightly bend those elbows, but make sure your shoulders are not very close to the ear and they're relaxed. Get the chin up and hold it for a few seconds. Now slightly place your hips back on your heels and extend those fingers up there. Keep walking with those fingers and hold the stretch for a few seconds. Now you can go back into Cobra and from there slide back into the child's pose and repeat this at least 8 to 10 times. Number 2. This one, all we're gonna do is we're gonna come in this base position and from there get our one leg forward. Yes, you can fold this front leg and make sure your hips and your shoulders points are facing forward. Now you can also extend or bend your back leg depending upon your range of flexibility. From there, just lean forward and hold this stretch for at least 10 seconds. Make sure your arms are straight there. Now come up and go a little back and repeat the stretch 8 to 10 times, holding each stretch for at least 10 seconds. Number 3, the side twist. For this one, you need to lie down on your back, extend your legs, and from there get one leg on side of the other leg. Yes, with one hand you can press down the knee towards the ground and make sure the opposite shoulder is on the floor. You can look towards the opposite side and hold this stretch for at least 10 seconds. Repeat this on the other side as well and do this at least 8 to 10 times on both the sides. Number 4, the bird dog. Yes, in this one we again come in the base position. From there we get one knee off the floor, get it closer towards the chest and extend backward. Now our opposite hand will go the same way, extending forward. Yes, this is going to be the motion of the exercise. Make sure you're engaging your core and your lower back is flat and it's not moving like this. Yes, make sure it's stable, flat and tight. Number 5, the Supermans. Yes, this exercise will work on strengthening of your lower back. Now place both the hands forward and legs back. Get the thighs and chest off the floor and keep doing this for at least 10. If you like this workout, please do give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.